To enable PFMS integration in your e-HRMS account, you need to switch to Nodal Officer's role and go to Settings and select Manage Workflow. Now click on the PFMS settings and click on Yes from the dialog, and here select your controller name, your PAO code, your DDO code, your PD code, and the financial year. After that, we will manage the settings of particular reimbursement workflows. For example, newspaper. So on the settings tab of newspaper, you need to select the account head, object head, category, and grant number, and click on submit. So this is how you can manage the PFMS settings. Now as an employee, go to employee services under reimbursements, select newspaper to file claim for reimbursement of newspaper. So this is the pre-filled form you find. You just need to select the date range and check the small checkbox and submit the application. Now let me show you how the dealing hand is going to so first of all, you need to also e-sign the application as a claimant using e-Hastakshar. Like this, you can e-Hastakshar the claim, and then you can check the claim by clicking View e-claim button. So this is how your claim will appear. After that, the dealing hand is going to forward the request. So under Action tab, you can view the details of your claim and where it is pending in the approval channel. So I'm going to open the account of the first dealing hand, and then using the first dealing hand's employee side role, we are going to see the newspaper claim. So under the employee side dashboard, go to Workflow Request tab, filter out the reimbursement type as newspaper, check the box and click on Forward Request to Forward. So the dealing hand can put the remarks and submit to forward. Under the Forwarded tab, it will appear. Go to Actions and click on View Details and see the tracking. Now it is being forwarded to the next dealing hand or the final approval authority. So by the same navigation, he can reach the newspaper claim and check the box and click on Approve/Reject to finally approve the application, like this. Then go to Approved tabs to see the approved applications and click on Push to PFMS button as the final approver for validation of this claim via PFMS. Once the validation completes, the status of the claim is going to change. So as the status is going to be changed, it will start showing success under PFMS claim status. Now the issuing officer can click on Sanction Request button to generate the sanction order. So this is how the issuing officer can see the sanction order and generate after editing, and click on Sign button to digitally signature it using the DSC. So the issuing officer is going to sign this via DSC to complete the sanction process. Under the Signed tab, it will appear and the sanction order can be seen. After this, under PFMS Claim tab, the button to push to PFMS finally will appear. So the issuing officer can finally push this application to PFMS, and this pre-filled e-claim will be pushed to PFMS. And you can track the application also. You can see it will start showing success. Now the PAO can check or track this application using the application ID in PFMS portal also. So by copying this ID, you can go to the PFMS portal and there using your credentials, you can search for this particular application. So under PFMS portal, you will go to e-sanctions and manage e-sanctions, and here the PAO can search using the application ID, and you can see the same application is arrived here. Now the next processes can be completed under the PFMS portal here. So the whole application can be seen, and the bill generation process can be completed by the PAO or DDO. So by filling the remarks, the bill generation can be completed. So you can see this is how the bill can be generated. The bill number has been successfully generated. Now the same will be shown in e-HRMS also. As the status is going to change, it will start showing